This is for Mommy and Daddy, Brooke.
Dad's daughters have a forever place in your heart. I may not tell you very often how proud I am that you're my daughter, or how much you really mean to me. But I hope I have been able to show you just how much I care, because I do, and I always will. 8th birthday. Love, Mommy and Daddy.
I know she is. There ain't no Justice gift cards in there. Ashlyn, stop.
Pull it out, pull it out. What is this? Carly Rae Jepsen.
Mm-hmm.
Yay! Scream.
What does she sing?
I thought you were going to.
Hey, I just met you.
But call me maybe.
Okay.
She's crazy.
But here's my number, so call me maybe.
What
Yeah.
else you got in there?
Ashlyn, stop. Let her do it, baby doll. What is that one? What is that one? Ashlyn, stop, baby doll.
Oh, open that one up. What is that sheet? What is it?
I know.
What is it?
I just made a concert ticket.
Are you happy about that?